Having personally encountered persistent R15 avatar problems and dedicating extensive time to testing various solutions, I finally discovered multiple effective approaches to resolving these issues, which I will share with you presently. This video will help you to fix R15 avatar animation glitch and mesh scaling errors completely. First, re-importing avatars or animations often resolves issues by forcing Roblox Studio to reread and re-establish a fresh connection to the asset data. This eliminates file corruption or incorrect asset ID linking that can cause visual discrepancies and ensures the engine interprets your assets correctly. Next, checking specific studio properties like humanoid, hip height or scale is crucial because these values directly control how an avatar's rig interacts with animations and the environment. Correcting these foundational parameters prevents misalignments and scaling problems. Then, clearing the Roblox cache can be a powerful solution. Over time, cached data might become corrupted, leading to faulty asset information. A cache clear forces the system to download fresh, clean files, bypassing any local corrupted data that causes rendering glitches. Finally, utilizing Roblox Studio's specialized tools like the animation editor allows for precise adjustments to animation keyframes and scaling. This direct manipulation of the animation data at its source ensures movements and mesh dimensions are exactly as intended, preventing playback errors.